A very good afternoon to everyone here in this room. Firstly, we would like to welcome and express our gratitude to our three main judges this afternoon. They are Mr. Philip Lee, the SMB Solution Manager from the Personal System Group, HP Asia Pacific and Japan region. Mr. Ryan Choi, the Executive Director of FarEastForum.com, and last but not least, our Miss Jane Young, the Managing Director of CR Media Private Limited. To start off the presentation, let me first introduce my team. Our team name is known as Team BI, and we are from the Temasek Poly. As the team name goes, our Team BI, we are going to introduce the concept of business intelligence to improve on the competitiveness of maid agencies. Our team members includes our group leader, Wei Ling, Jia Xing, TK, and me, Chong Kuan. And we are very glad to have Miss Phyllis Chong, who is sitting behind, as our mentor for this project. So, you all must be wondering, what kind of businesses maid agencies are classified as in this modern world? They are known as small and medium business, or in short, SMBs. SMBs faces challenges both internally and externally while trying to keep their competitiveness against other big competitors. Coupled with the recent recession and downfall of the global economy, bigger challenges are prone to lie ahead of them. So, what are some of the problems faced? Okay. So based on the SMB development survey in 2007, the local SMBs are facing increasing in competition, increasing in manpower, and so cost and market constraints, and therefore the use of technology is prominent and is the key to solve these problems. A very good example will be us using BI to solve in maid agencies. So what are some of the problems faced by maid agencies? The inability to provide matching customer expectation with appropriate maid's profile is a very key issue here. It incurred additional costs as customer complaints come about their maid hired are not doing up to his or her job and requesting the company for a refund or even a replacement. And also in cases like maid abuse, which is very frequent on papers nowadays, whereby maids are beaten up or injured heavily by their employer because of not being able to reach a certain standard, and will bring about bad reputation for the company. To add on, for the data received by maid agencies every day comes in various formats, ranging from papers to files to databases. Different formats makes collation of data together very difficult. Imagine a situation when data is not stored over the network, but rather on papers. Manual searching are to be done, and this will minimize the efficiency of the whole company. And with unclear and unstandardized information, agencies are unable to come up with direct and clear marketing plans, which is used for expanding their business. Next, I will pass to Wei Ling, who will continue the presentation.
To address the above problems stated by Chong Kuan, maid agencies can use BI to help them. In their daily operations, data are collected in different formats such as forms or flat files, which is difficult for them to analyze and discover meaningful knowledge. However, by cleaning and transforming and integrating this data into the data warehouse, meaningful reports, charts, and dashboards can be generated for managers to make their decisions. As you can see from this chart, majorities of the customers will prefer maids to be able to take care of children, followed by elderly, and to have a fair command of English. Agencies can also use the analysis results to understand, to provide appropriate trainings for the maids to be competitive. By using data mining, data can be segmented into families with children, families with elderly, families with big houses, and families with busy adults. From these segmentations, agencies can find out what are the profiles of the maids that are suitable for each segment. As you can see, the blue lines represent the families with children, and they seem to prefer maids which age 26 to 30. Other than knowing the profile of segmented customers, they can also better target They can also better target their marketing message for more precisely, which in turn saves in marketing costs. Besides reports and charts, data mining can also be used for profile matchings. With the requirements provided by the clients, together with feedbacks, surveys findings, marketing campaigns results, data can be analyzed, mined to discover important attributes of mates that matches the client's requirements and to identify suitable mates for the client. Now I will pass it to Xiaxing.
Okay, and before anything, what Winnie has mentioned can be done. Data are needed and are often the foundation for all. And actually, in this case, data can come in different forms, like in the form of client's profile, which includes their personal particulars, their income statements, and needs and expectations for their future for domestic workers. And next, the mate profile, which also includes their personal particulars, their experiences, and also the expectations of the future employer. And also forms like applications form for applying for domestic workers work permit and other supporting documents. Okay, and a copy of contract agreement made between the client and the domestic workers. And lastly, feedback survey findings and marketing campaign results are also often used to support hypotheses made based on the analysis. Okay, currently, most of these documents are actually paper-based, and chances of typo error to occur during data entry is high. So, to minimize such errors, we have come up with a recommendation to make use of HP's multi-function document scanning device to capture data at source. And we can also integrate this device with a third-party software, which is we can also integrate this device with a third-party software that uses mining techniques like text mining to classify and organize scanned documents into the respective folders. Actually, that's how it works. Okay, in addition, they could also provide value-added service such as sending SMSs or emails to remind their clients for their domestic workers' health check appointment or updates on events or workshop that either party could participate in through newsletters. This could help in building up closer relationship with their clients and their domestic workers. Okay, next I'll pass on to TK.
Okay, from the solutions, how do we implement them? Various hardwares from HP ProLite, G5 storage server. Why we choose that is because it actually has a pre-installed and pre-configured OS inside, so